Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can check your archived emails on Gmail. It will be pretty quick and easy. So I am on my Android. You can do the same steps on your iPhone or your computer as well. First of all, I'm going to open this gmail.com, the Gmail application. So I will walk you through the steps of archiving an email and showing you where it is. So you can see I sent this mail to myself. I will just tap and hold on it and tap on this archive. So at the very bottom it says this email has archived. Now to be able to find it, let's tap the three lines at the top left and we will tap right under drafts where it says all mails. Just tap on it. Now unfortunately Google makes it a bit confusing because when you archive these emails but there is no archive folder, it's all bucketed into all mail folder. So you will see next to here is test email, that mail I just archived. You will see also different ones on here that say junk or inbox or certain folders. So this will show you every single email that you have. If there is no basic label to the right of there, you can see where it says junk next to this. If there is no indication of a label on any of these, then it has been archived. So you can see this email, this me video and 25 Jan, there is no label here. You can always just tap on it to open it up. You can read it, you can do all these things, and you can also bring them back to your inbox if you wanted to do. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.